If you're looking for a crowd-pleasing meal, you can't go wrong with chimichangas. These crispy, deep-fried burritos are filled with a deliciously seasoned shredded meat, refried beans, and cheese. This recipe is easy to follow and the results are sure to impress. And I'm excited to show you one of my family's favorites today on the Stay at Home Chef. Starting with the meat you choose is really up to you. This is simply leftover pulled pork, a recipe from our website, and if you want other options, we have a whole list of them over on the website. No matter the meat that you choose, you're going to want 2 cups of that, and you're going to add to it a half a cup of finely diced onions, 4 ounces of chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin and a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to your liking. And I say that because the meat you have chosen may already be salty enough. At this point, you're gonna wanna start heating up your oil. We're gonna add about 3 inches into a deep skillet and heat it to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you wanna bake or air fry these, we have all of the tips and tricks over on the website. Now it's time to assemble them, and we need to mix up our meat mixture here. I am using 8 large tortillas, and they're fairly fresh, but if you need yours to be a little more pliable, pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. To assemble, we're gonna take about 1/4 cup of the meat mixture, place it right in that center. If you're using smaller tortillas, you're gonna wanna use less filling. If you're using bigger tortillas, use more of that filling. Then use about 2 tablespoons of the refried beans and spread it next to the meat mixture. Then sprinkle just a little bit of that cheese on top. To make the perfect chimichanga, tuck the sides and roll it up tightly. Once you've got them rolled up, put it flap side down, or you can use a toothpick to secure that, and repeat the process. Now we are ready to deep fry these chimichangas. Then fry them for 3 to 4 minutes or until they are golden brown. Once they're that perfect golden color, you're gonna remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel lined sheet. Let them cool for a minute or 2 if you can wait that long, and then dip them in your favorite sauce and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.